Ever wondered how you can snap your fingers, kick a ball, or even just breathe without thinking about it? It all comes down to the most incredible command center in the universe, your brain. Let's dive into how this 3-pound marvel pulls all the strings. Imagine your brain is the CEO of a massive corporation called Your Body Inc. It's constantly receiving information, making decisions, and sending out orders. 24/7, this communication happens through an intricate network of nerves, which are like the company's internal messaging system. Let's say you decide to pick up a cup of coffee. First, your eyes, the reconnaissance team, send a signal to the visual cortex at the back of your brain saying, "Hey, coffee cup at 9 o'clock. This message zips along nerve cells called neurons as tiny electrical impulses. Once the brain processes this, the frontal lobe, which is like the executive planning department, decides, okay, let's grab that coffee. It formulates a plan. Extend the arm, open the hand, grasp the handle. This plan is then sent to the motor cortex, a specific strip of brain tissue responsible for voluntary movements. Think of the motor cortex as the dispatch center. It sends precise instructions down the spinal cord, which is the main highway for all these messages. From the spinal cord, specific nerves branch out to the muscles in your arm and hand. These nerves are the final delivery couriers. When the electrical signal from the nerve reaches the muscle, it triggers a chemical reaction, causing the muscle fibers to contract. A perfectly coordinated sequence of muscle contractions and relaxations allows your arm to extend, your fingers to shape around the handle, and you to lift the cup. All of this happens in less than a second, faster than you can even blink. But what about actions you don't consciously control, like your heartbeat or digestion? That's the work of the autonomic nervous system, managed by older, deeper parts of the brain, like the brainstem. This is the automatic operations department. It keeps the essential factory functions running in the background, so you don't have to consciously remind your heart to beat or your lungs to breathe. It's the ultimate multitasker. And it gets even more amazing. Your brain is also learning and adapting constantly. When you learn a new skill, like playing the guitar, you're creating and strengthening neural pathways. At first, it's slow and clumsy. You have to think about every single finger placement. But with practice, these pathways become super efficient, like a well-worn trail. This is why experienced guitarists can play complex solos without even looking. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, plays a huge role here. It's like the quality control and coordination manager, fine-tuning your movements to make them smooth and precise. So, from a simple wave to a complex dance routine, every move you make is a symphony conducted by your brain. It's an intricate and beautiful system of signals, pathways, and processes working in perfect harmony. The next time you take a step, just take a moment to appreciate the incredible neuroscience that makes it all possible. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our world. See you in the next video.